guys, I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to learn about present progressive and basically what is present progressive and how we use it and what is the definition of present progressive. We use present progressive to say any action is continued. We use present progressive to say that any action is continued. So it means that when the action is continuously going on, so we use over there present progressive. Like how I'm talking to you, so it means the action is continuously going on. I'm teaching you, the action is continuously going on. So over there we use present progressive. And what is the formula of present progressive? Subject plus is MR. What is MR? Basically these are auxiliary verbs. These are auxiliary verbs plus verb with ing form, because we are talking about present progressive, so we need here verb with ing form, and then plus extra word, we can use any word. Before giving you some examples of present progressive, I will tell you about is MR. So we have one word that we mostly use as a state word, that this is be. This is be. And from be we have taken is MR. These are auxiliary verbs. From here we have taken, from be we have taken, and we use it with a different subjects and different auxiliary verbs. You, we, they, and plural noun. With these four subjects we use our auxiliary verb. You, we, they, and plural noun we use with these four subjects our auxiliary verb. We have one subject, and with this subject we use just an auxiliary verb, and I is a subject that we use with an auxiliary verb, and then he, she, it, and singular noun. With these four subjects we use is auxiliary verb. He, she, it, and singular noun. With these four subjects we use is auxiliary verb. And now let me give you examples. I am reading a book. Basically what is I is a subject, and then M is auxiliary verb, and then read means read is a verb, because we need verb in ing form, that's why it has become reading. I am reading a book. I am reading a book. And this is affirmative sentence as we made. And now how to make negative sentence. And negative sentence is just little bit different, but all words are same, but just we have to put not after auxiliary verb. I subject is present here, and then am auxiliary verb is present here, and after auxiliary verb we will just use not. And after not, same word, reading. I am not reading a book. I am not reading a book. And then how to make interrogative. How to make interrogative sentence. I will take am auxiliary verb from here, and I will put it before subject. Am I reading a book? Am I reading a book? Am I reading a book? This is interrogative sentence. When we ask someone a question, so we use over here. And now how to make intro negative sentence. We will pick am auxiliary verb and we will use it before a subject, and after a subject we will just use not. Am I not reading a book? Am I not reading a book? So we can make intro negative sentence, because we have used an auxiliary verb before subject, and after subject we will just have to use not, and then same word, reading, and then a book. Am I not reading a book? Because mostly it happens that when someone asks you a question like this, are you reading a book? You say yes. If you are reading, so you will say yes, I am reading a book. Are you not reading a book? Yes, I am not reading a book. If you are not, so over there you say yes, I am not reading a book. So we use like this. So it was today